In the mystical world of ancient legends, Druids stand as enigmatic figures, shrouded in the whispers of nature and tradition. These mystical keepers wielded the hidden magic of the natural world, seamlessly blending wisdom, nature worship, and the supernatural. Originating from Celtic societies, Druids are often depicted as wise sages, acting as intermediaries between the spiritual and physical realms. They revered the cycles of nature, drawing their power from the elements and the sacred groves they cherished. Through rituals and ceremonies, Druids sought harmony, thriving as guardians of wisdom and cultural continuity. Though their mysteries have largely slipped into the mists of time, the legacy of the Druids endures, sparking fascination and reverence for nature's hidden magic and its timeless allure.